So, hey guys, it's the first day of school. Yup, it's the first day of school, and I'm trying to make it to the class. I know I'm already considered as late, but yeah, traffic. So, I'm about to head to this class, and I will see you guys after. So classes went smoothly, everything went smooth. Got one more class and then I will be heading home, but this process that I am taking to further my education is going smooth, and I'm glad because there's a lot more to check off my checklist. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know it's going good. Okay, so right now I am literally walking to my next class. I have about 10 minutes and it's 2 blocks. Yeah. But yeah, we're on our way. Okay, I know for sure I'm gonna like this, but like history, all that stuff. It's telling the history and coding and everything. I like it. I definitely will. But I need to make this train. It's been a long day. It has. So I'm going to eat, take a shower, take Blessing out, and honestly do this all over again Thursday. But I got some stuff to take care of tomorrow, so I might take y'all with me. So, yeah. Okay, that food was pretty good. Now it's time to walk it off and go to class. So, yeah. So, this will be like my last class for the week. Honestly, if you guys want me to show more of the class, y'all gonna have to let me know, because I respect people's privacy and everything. So, yeah, I'm actually liking the classes. And I do have some assignments that are due, so I'm gonna have to get that done this weekend. So right now, I am going to the bus or the train so I can get to the house and then get this homework done. So yeah.